Stop scrolling for just a second. If you run a WordPress website, this is going to be the most important video you'll watch in 2025. Why? Because Google changed its algorithm again, and most WordPress sites are already losing traffic without even realizing it. But don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step SEO guide, updated for 2025. No fluff, just proven strategies you can apply today, even if you're a beginner. And here's the best part. Everything I will share today can be done with free tools. So make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also reveal the biggest SEO mistake almost every WordPress owner makes in 2025. Let's start with the biggest factor, site speed. Google SEO update in 2025 is obsessed with core web vitals, metrics like largest, contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. For example, I worked on a client site that had great content but took 7 seconds to load. Their ranking dropped from page 1 to page 5 in less than a month. Here's how you fix it. Use Lightspeed Cache or WP Rocket for caching. Compress your images with Tinetbeing or Imagify, and switch to a lightweight theme like Astra or Generatepris. And don't ignore hosting. Even the best plugin can't save a bad server. If you're using cheap shared hosting, consider upgrading to a managed WordPress host like Cloudways or SiteGround. Next up is on-page SEO. In 2025, keyword stuffing is dead. Google's AI is smarter than ever. It understands context, synonyms, and intent. Here's what you should do instead. Use RankMath SEO plugin to guide your optimization. Write titles that include your target keyword and spark curiosity, for example. Instead of Best Bakery in Chicago, use Best Bakery in Chicago, Fresh Bread Daily. Add schema markup so Google understands your content type, whether it's a blog, recipe, product, or FAQ. And remember this, Google now gives preference to content that answers questions directly, so add facts to your posts. Did you know over 70% of searches now happen on mobile? That means if your site looks bad on a phone, you're losing visitors fast. Go to Google's mobile-friendly test, enter your site, and see the results. Fix the common issues. Fonts too small, increase them to at least 16px. Buttons too close together, add padding. Images not responsive, use web and CSS scaling. A restaurant site I optimized had a tiny book-disabled button on mobile. Just by enlarging it and making it thumb-friendly, reservations went up 22% in 1 week. Content is still king, but in 2025, it's about being helpful and human. What works now is problem-solving articles. Instead of top shoes for summer, try top shoes that keep you cool in summer heat. Use iTools like ChatGPT or Jasper to brainstorm outlines, but always add your own insights. Google can now detect AI-only content. Also, don't forget to update old posts. Refreshing a 2022 blog post with 2025 stats can bring it back to life instantly. I updated a blog about WordPress security, and it jumped from 50 clicks per month to 600 clicks per month after adding new data. Finally, backlinks. They're still one of the top ranking signals, but the game has changed. In 2025, quality beats quantity. One backlink from a trusted source is more powerful than 100 spammy ones. Here's how to get them. Use Haro to get quoted in articles. Write guest posts for relevant blogs. And join local business directories if you're a small business. Build relationships, not just links. A genuine collaboration with another blogger can give you consistent traffic, not just a one-time backlink. So let's recap. Fix your site speed and core web vitals. Optimize titles and schema with RankMath. Make your site 100% mobile-friendly. Create problem-solving content with a human touch and build high-quality backlinks that actually matter. If you follow just these 5 steps, you'll not only survive Google's AI update in 2025, you'll thrive. Now, here is my challenge to you. Go test your site and page speed insights right after this video. Then come back here and comment your score. I'll personally reply with a free tip to help you improve it. And don't forget to hit subscribe. because next week I'm breaking down the 10 best free WordPress plugins for 2025. Trust me, you don't want to miss that.